of fire into the sky. My body ignites like a flame and blazes bright. I don't know why things turn this way all the time. This isn't right. Now I'm really burning up inside. I will protect you and I will risk my life to save the ones I love. I'll make that sacrifice like the stars above. Limitless is love, power of love. Come on, it's all up to us. Don't give up no matter what. Together we shall defeat and not stand the evils that threaten these lands. That is right until the end. We must persevere with these two hands. When the time comes, evil wakes up with soldiers of love.